Hi guys, today I'm here with a Toyota Corolla GR Sport, Toyota's secret weapon, and one of the best warm hatches if you want a bit of fun without going crazy. Now we have a 4-cylinder petrol engine, but not just that, it's also hybrid and can run on either to save you a little bit of fuel. Now we get 181 brake horsepower and a 0 to 60 time of just 7.9 seconds. Pretty impressive. And you won't find your standard manual or automatic gearbox here. You have something called a CVT, which stands for Continuous Variable Transmission. Now what that does is gives us a virtually infinite operational range of the engine and the gearbox, which means better performance and better fuel economy. Now this is the 12th generation Corolla and it certainly looks the part, but it's going to set you back anywhere from £29,000 or in this one behind me, 32. The Corolla was the best-selling car worldwide by 1974 and still doesn't disappoint. With the GR styling and hybrid practicality, the 12th generation is the ultimate package. And as you expect from any hatchback, you have a 313-litre boot and a spare wheel. It comes as a 5-door, and as a hatchback it makes life a lot easier. You can get the kids in and out of the back or even your mates, but 5 adults might be a little bit of a squeeze. The GR really follows through to the inside, and my favourite part of the car is the heated sport seats that are incredibly comfortable. Now you also get an 8-inch touchscreen which has Apple CarPlay, sat-nav, everything that you need, as well as a heads-up display in front of you. You also get your park assist, heated seats and digital display, and don't forget eco and sport mode. Now because it's very cold, the engine turns on first, but on the slightly warmer days it has been the electric, which is really confusing because I didn't think I turned it on properly. So let's have a drive and see what it's like. Now Toyota only like to have 3 of the GR specs in one place. So we've got the GR86, the GR Yaris and the GR Supra. Now that means we will sadly not be getting the Corolla GR, so this is the closest we're going to get. And if this is the base of what it's going to be like, it's going to be a lot of fun. We know Toyota has a pedigree of rally racing, which means we fully expect a lot of fun and a tight build, and the Corolla GR Sport has just that. You may think with being hybrid it wouldn't be as much fun, but it has a very surprising performance. And the grip, pretty decent. The CVT does take a little bit of getting used to, especially if you're used to full electric or a normal automatic. It's almost combining the two. So once you've got your head around that and you understand how to play with the engine and use it to your advantage, you can extract quite a lot from it. Thanks to the infinite operational range of gears and engine, the possibilities are literally endless. You may think with it being the GR Sport you will get some tuning advantages, and sadly you don't. They've saved that for the full GR spec. Now what we do get is an upgraded rear and front bumper. You also get the GR seats and some styling bits and pieces inside. So it's enough to add that little bit of a sporty feel without compromising too much on your day-to-day driving. As I mentioned before, the seats are my favourite part of this car. Not only do they look great, they are incredibly comfortable. And the suspension ride as well, you're not compromising on a harsh suspension. So you still have a lot of fun with the grip, but you're not breaking your back when you're going on a long journey. The layout itself inside is fantastic. It's got everything that you need. You've got your heads-up display, which is in a perfect position. You're not actually having to divert your eyes away like some cars do. You do still have a digital display in front of you. Now you have an analog speedometer, you've got your MPG, your fuel and your rev, so everything that you need. The engine picks up super nicely and it's very responsive. As well as expected from any rally history car, the brakes. Now they're really easy to modulate, which means we can judge our braking quite well and stop even quicker. The safety doesn't stop there. There is also lane assist, dynamic radar cruise control and pre-collision system, all to keep you safe. The steering does feel really weighted, which means you have a lot of feel through the steering input. As well as that, the chassis is very grippy, agile and involving. It doesn't show a single sign of understeer, which is nice to see. The nose is really digging in and there isn't any traction issues. Even on a damp, cold day, on British road conditions, you can still push reasonably hard and not be worried at all. It's a very safe car to drive. This car is perfect for someone who 30% of the time wants that B-road blast, but the other 17 needs that fuel consumption and something that has the practicality. And that is what warm hatches are all about, and the Toyota Corolla GR Sport ticks every single box on that. This is definitely something I would consider as a daily. You've got the confidence to overtake in it. You can still have a little bit of fun if you need that out of your system, yet you're completely safe and can fit all your shopping and everything you need in the back. To conclude, the Toyota Corolla GR Sport. I have thoroughly enjoyed this car. It is the perfect all-rounder. Now, it does make me super excited to have a go in a proper GR with that extra power, because the pedigree in this just demonstrates everything Toyota is about and the rally history. So there we have it, guys. You all know the drill. To make my journey your journey, like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!